Hello YouTube, it's NowIamNappy and I'm back showing you how to use my newest Oat and Aloe conditioner bar. I'm so excited to bring this to you guys, and while I apply it, I will be talking a little bit more about the herbs for menopause that I mentioned in last week's video. If you want to learn more about how to make a conditioner bar, check out the video up here on the screen. But for now, let's hop into the shower and get to using it. So I'm here in the shower. Y'all know I'm not a big fan of doing shower videos, but y'all, this is the best way to show you how to use the conditioner bar. And I'm starting off by thoroughly saturating my hair with water. Y'all know I have low porosity hair, so it does take quite a bit of time for my hair to get thoroughly saturated. Plus, I did not shampoo my hair last week, so there's a lot of products on it, and so I'm trying to make sure my hair gets nice and saturated and the cuticles are nice and open from the heat and the steam, and then parting it into sections so that I can begin the cleansing process. Now I'm using my Oat and Aloe shampoo bar. I'm going to go in and focus first on the scalp. Like I said, my scalp has been very, very itchy because I missed a week in cleansing. So I really want to focus in on that. And then, of course, I'll go down the length of my hair. Of course, my twists always fall out, but I really wanted to focus first on the scalp. I did go ahead and cleanse my hair twice this time as well. Next is the Oat and Aloe conditioner bar, and y'all, let me tell you, the trick to the conditioner bar is to make sure your hair is thoroughly saturated. So I'm going to first run the conditioner bar over my strands that are wet, and then I'm going to dip my head under the water to make sure that the conditioner bar gets activated. The one thing you have to remember about the conditioner bar is that there is no water included in this bar. So a regular conditioner contains water and maybe herbal extracts and humectants in that water phase of the mixture, and the oil phase has that conditioning emulsifier, butters, and oils. So the conditioner bar has a mixture of just the butters, oils, and herbal powders. So we need to make sure that we're using the water to activate these properties. And y'all, let me tell you, this conditioner bar has an insane amount of slip in it. And the more water you add to it, the more the bar gets activated. The conditioner starts to really lather up very nicely. I'm going to show you guys the other section of my hair. Again, saturate your hair under that water and then go ahead and go in with that conditioner bar. Now I like to run it again right down the length of my strands. Y'all, it just smoothly goes down. And once you get enough of it on, I would say like maybe 2 to 3 swipes per side, go ahead and add a little bit of water and begin the finger detangling process. Some points I want to notice is that when I first apply the conditioner bar to my strands don't feel very heavily coated. It's really only when the water is added that that nice creamy foam starts to happen, and that provides that slip for detangling. So sometimes we get used to having to see the conditioner on our strands, but know with the conditioner bar, you won't necessarily see it right away, but with the application of water, you'll create that creamy conditioner effect that you are used to. So while I apply the rest of this conditioner bar to my strands, let's talk a little bit more about how to use some of the herbs we spoke about last week in herbs for menopause. So the first herb we talked about was ashwagandha last week, and how it was really great for helping to prevent hot flashes. Now, according to the study, women used 300 milligrams of ashwagandha root extract twice daily, and they saw a significant decrease in hormonal symptoms such as hot flashes, as well as positive changes in their estradiol, FSH, and the luteinizing hormone. So 300 milligrams, you guys, is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So just a little bit goes a long way. The next herb we talked about is black cohosh, which is great for hot flashes, mood changes, night sweats, sleep problems. And this powerful herb is said to see a reduction in symptoms by taking 20 to 40 milligram tablets twice a day. So again, we know 20 to 40 milligrams is a very minute amount. You can also do a tincture of black cohosh, and you would take 2 to 4 milliliters 1 to 3 times a day in water or in a tea. Next up is hops, and it's said to have estrogenic activity. And in one study, the use of 100 micrograms and 250 micrograms actually saw a reduction of not only hot flashes, but also insomnia, irritability, and heart palpitation in women who used hops. Next up is donkey, and it's said to really help to improve that circulation and reduce inflammation in the body, as well as treat hot flashes. When it comes to using donkey, it's recommended to use 2 to 3 grams a day and to be taken in 3 divided doses. The next herb that had great benefits for reducing menopausal symptoms was St. John's wort, and it is said to relieve psychological and vegetative symptoms of menopause. And it was most effective when a tablet was taken 3 times daily, totaling 900 milligrams. Now, when it comes to all of these herbs, you guys, please make sure you talk with your doctor because some of them do have other implications, especially when taken with other medications. All right, now that you have the information about the dosage you should use for these herbs, let's just focus really quick back on the conditioner bar. I only left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I was in the shower. I took the time to bathe myself and shave, and then I rinsed it out, and y'all take a look at my results. My hair is very nice and conditioned and soft and ready for me to go ahead and apply my leave-in and styler. Okay, so now that we're out of the shower, I just want to show you how much of the conditioner bar I used. You really don't need a lot to get some of these properties. I'm also showing you a conditioner bar that hasn't been used, so you can get a nice comparison of about what one use is. Now again, this is going to range depending on how heavy-handed you are and also the length of your hair. Now y'all, my hair feels so nice and soft. So I went ahead and used my hibiscus and shea leave-in conditioner. Y'all know that is the newest thing to drop. It does have quite a bit of slip in it. My strands are already nice and stretched. And then I'm going to follow up with that moisturizing styler to set my hair. So I'm going to put my hair into large twists and then go to bed for the night and show you my final style. And you guys, in the morning, this is my style. I just pinned up some of my hair to the side and I'm about to head out with some friends. If you want to learn more about how to create a new Ayurvedic regimen, check out the video on the screen. But that's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.